When airmen get tasked to deploy, they need to be mission ready. Medical emergencies don't come with a warning, so being prepared to act is critical.
That preparation starts with tactical combat casualty care.
Tactical combat casualty care trains airmen to stop severe bleeding, treat any traumatic injuries, and keep someone alive until they are evacuated for higher medical care.
What is the tourniquet for?
In the past, much of this training was classroom-based. Airmen understood the information, but they didn't always have the opportunity to practice those skills under realistic pressure. So I decided to put together a TCCC training where airmen are in a realistic environment with screaming casualties, fake blood, and multiple injuries to treat. This training is for preparation for an annual 341st Mission Support Group exercise. The exercise is to ensure airmen are prepared for realistic high-stress situations that may occur in a deployment environment. During this TCCC training, airmen go through multiple scenarios designed to mirror situations they can encounter, such as severe bleeding and traumatic injuries, while practicing communication and teamwork under stress.
During one of the scenarios, I witnessed someone use a makeshift tourniquet, and it made me realize I don't always have access to real medical equipment, but I will still have to provide aid at the end of the day.
If this training helps airmen feel confident in their ability to respond and provide aid to a casualty and a fellow airman, then I think this was absolutely worth the extra effort.